Do you freeze when ordering takeaway food in English? You know what you want, but the words don't come out clearly. By the end of this video, you'll order takeaway confidently, clearly, and naturally, just like a native speaker. In this video, you'll learn how to order clearly, how to ask about the menu, how to request changes politely, natural expressions native speakers use, how to ask how long your order will take. Let's step into a real takeaway situation.
Hi there, what can I get started for you?
Hi, I'd like to place a takeaway order, please.
Of course. What are you in the mood for today?
I'm not sure yet. Could you walk me through the most popular items?
Sure. Our best sellers are the grilled chicken wrap and the spicy rice bowl.
What comes with the rice bowl?
It comes with jasmine rice, grilled vegetables, and your choice of protein.
That sounds good. I'll go with the chicken. Could I make a small change?
Absolutely.
Could you leave out the onions and add extra sauce?
No problem at all. Anything else?
Yes, does it come in different portion sizes?
We have regular and large.
I'll take the regular. And could I also get a bottled water?
Sure. Is that everything?
That should do it, thanks.
Great. Your total comes to $12.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. It'll take about 15 minutes.
Perfect. Just to double check. That's 15 minutes, right?
Yes, around 15 minutes.
Thanks. I'll wait over there.
We'll call your name when it's ready.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Bestseller, most frequently bought item. Portion, amount of food. Double check, confirm again. Regular, standard size. Leave out, remove something. New phrases. What can I get started for you? What would you like? I'd like to place an order. I want to order. What are you in the mood for? What do you feel like eating? Could you walk me through? Please explain. What comes with? What is included? Could I make a small change? Can I modify it? No problem at all. That's okay. That should do it. That's enough. Just to double check. I want to confirm. I'll wait over there. I'll stand there until it's ready. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.